Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use an old style Volkswagen jack, also known as a Bilstein Rally Monkey jack. First thing you want to do is get to the height of the hole right here under the running board, near the back fender. This little square notch will fit right in that hole. Once you get it in the hole, continue jacking it. If it's not the right height, it will still go down to the ground. Once it's on the ground, continue jacking. This will start jacking the car up. Or your old Volkswagen. Or whatever car you have it for. This one's a little rickety, but as you can see, it's moving the car up. Now, if you want to get it back down, you just use the quick release, right about here. There'll be an A and a B marked on here, and there's a twist arrow going clockwise. First of all, you just stick the handle in there, and you push it down. And as you can see, it lowers back down. Now to get the rest of the way out, you just pull the quick release down, and then twist the pole. And it will twist up through the monkey jack. Then you pull it out of the car, and then you can twist it the rest of the way back into your pole. And that is how you use a Volkswagen jack.